We've been getting in a few rare Pontiac and Oldsmobiles. Here's another one that's no exception to that. 1961 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible. Nice looking car. Now, this is originally a C-code provincial white car. 935 would be your interior trim. Should be red. So this one is still rolling around with the original colors that it would have came with from Oldsmobile back in 1961. Underneath the hood, 394 or 6.5 liter V8. That's also how these would have came in 61. Of course, in 1961, the Starfire separated into its own model year, or I should say own model line. It was a 1-year run. Approximately 7,600 of these were produced. Now, if you want to check out this still picture so you can see the underside of this car and check out the engine bay, get a good look at every angle, every part of this car, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. If you have any questions on this car, feel free to give a call and ask. As you can see, paint on the car, nice. It isn't a little older restoration, but it appears to be in quite nice shape. Take a look at the chrome, bright work, grille, everything in nice shape up front. Up and down the sides of it, same way. I'll show you a little spot I did notice over on the driver's side when we get around there. But overall, up and down this car, very straight. Pretty free of nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that. Now, here's another interesting fact. That center mounted floor shifter right there, this is actually the first American full-sized production car to feature that, an automatic transmission with console mounted floor shifter. Also has power window switches in there. This car was equipped with an electric antenna and also biphonic speakers according to the data tag. And once again, you can see the picture of that data tag in with the pictures of the rest of this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with getting this car transported, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you got questions on any of that. Looks like that may have been the new Oldsmobile dealer that this was picked up from in Naperville. And as you can see, chrome, bright work, everything good on the back of this too. And again, you just do not see a lot of these around at the shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Not a lot of these left, becoming more and more popular. Alright, here's that one spot I wanted to point out over on this side. Just kind of a little scuff on that bright work. Otherwise, up and down the side of this driver's side also pretty free of much wear and tear. Now, as far as the top goes, it is a power top. Power top works fine. You can see I got the parade boot on back here, but I'm gonna start this up so you can hear it run, and I'll put the top up too, so you can check out how the top looks. It is also basically matches the interior, kind of a burgundy red color. Looks good and is a nice shape, and I'll give you a look at that here before we're done with this video. Alright, let's check out this interior. I want to show you one thing I thought was pretty cool. Looks like a vintage correct Oldsmobile. See it up on the top there, Oldsmobile vanity mirror. It's kind of cool. Door panels look like they are original. And like I said, looks like the seats have been recovered. And I would guess this carpeting has been replaced. Other than that, dash, everything looks pretty stock. Interior here does have a aftermarket, more of a retro style, more modern radio. But just check out the gauges and the chrome on these early 60s. Let's go ahead and start it up. You may have noticed it also has seat belts installed in it. It's always started easily for me. Fired right up. How cool the dash is that. Of course, there's your power antenna, power top. Switches right there if you can see it. Gauges, here's that fuel gauge works. Of course, the speedometer would read out as the line going across, depending on what speed you're going. A lot of cool things about this car. Alright, slip around to the back. A little rumble coming out of that 394, nothing crazy. Gotta have a little rumble out of it, right? This car will definitely turn some heads, no doubt about that. Good sounding car, good looking car. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to at least get you to check out the engine bay, and we'll check out that top floor. We're all done too. Alright, looking good under here too. So as you can see, we got power steering, power brakes. A new battery, terminal disconnect there. Put it in storage, or if you're not driving it, unhook that. Hook a trickle charger up to it. Some chrome dressing that up. Nice old Oldsmobile Starfire air cleaner cover. So there you go. Get an idea how that engine bay looks. V8 sounds. Alright, I tell you what, let me pause this one last time. I want to pop that top up. I'm going to turn it off, shut up the hood, and get that top up so you can take a look at it. Alright, shut the hood. Got the top up here for you to check out. Like I said, vinyl material. Nice shape. Free of rips, tears, holes. Nice little shine to it. It does not look like it was replaced too long ago, let's put it that way. And then again, if you had this car, it would be folded down and covered up most of the time, so it won't see a lot of sun or weather. So check out the whole thing. Fits nice up in the front above the windshield. Not really discolored in any places. Again, that rear window clear and in good shape, as well as the rest of the top. So there you have it, 1961 old Starfire Convertible. What a beauty. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. This is going to take you right to our website. You can check out the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.